The longer I do this, the more I see the importance of, I like to think of it as the head dropping into the heart. It's so vital that the head can drop into the heart. When I look around the world today, I often think, God, we as a group of humanity, group of beings, our culture, we really need to drop our head into the heart. I see that and I can feel that in people all over the place, everywhere I go, this sort of hungering for something. And so much of it is actually to actually see life through the heart. And I think what I never knew, nobody ever told me, I think most of us are probably never told, that the heart, this area, actually that feels really good. The heart it's an area that we can actually. It's something that remains sort of dormant. We think of the heart as, wonderful, loving, warm, soft, intimate experiences, and of course it is that, and that's the beauty of that. And boy, do we need that. But it's also this perceptual capacity lies in the heart that tends to lie dormant. We tend to close off to it sometime in childhood, late childhood, early adolescence, sometimes earlier than that. You can see with little children often, once you kind of know what that heart is, to have the head and drop into the heart, then you can see it. You can see it in children who have it, who haven't sort of turned away from it yet, who haven't been either convinced it's not important or just out of sorrow, out of difficulty, out of life's challenges. We tend to turn away from that heart because it's also our kind of innocence. I suppose in some way that's what kind of, amongst other things, that's one of the things that woke up that morning almost 3 decades ago on St. Patrick's Day. And it was the intuitive capacity to recognize and to perceive and to experience unity. And not just some abstract spiritual idea of unity, but this tremendous experience of intimacy with all of life.